This is a deeply disturbing case that originated in the state of Texas. It involves a suspect identified as William Oddo, who is reported to be 52 years old. Oddo stands accused of a grave crime, the murder of his fiancée. The victim has been identified as LaVera Wardell, who is 39 years old. The alleged crime is reported to have occurred within the confines of the apartment they shared. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. LaVera Wardell was tragically found deceased inside the shared apartment. Her body was discovered on the date of May 19th. The discovery was not initiated by the suspect but was prompted by concerned neighbors. Neighbors had reported detecting a very foul smell emanating from the residence. Upon entry, Wardell was found to have been shot dead. According to official police reports, William Oddo allegedly admitted to the shooting. He is reported to have stated that he shot Wardell in the head. The shooting allegedly took place following a heated argument between the couple. This argument is reported to have occurred on May 6th. According to the affidavit, Oddo allegedly claimed that Wardell came at him with a knife during this confrontation. Despite the alleged violent act, Oddo allegedly remained inside the apartment with the body. He is reported to have stayed with LaVera Wardell's corpse for a period of 3 full days after the shooting occurred. His explanation for remaining with the body was chillingly reported as, "I wanted to lay with her." The body of LaVera Wardell remained inside the apartment for a significant duration, nearly 2 weeks, from May 6th until its discovery on May 19th. Evidence gathered during the investigation suggests that Oddo's actions following the alleged murder were potentially calculated. Approximately a week after the alleged shooting, specifically on May 13th, Oddo was reportedly captured on security footage. This footage allegedly showed him engaged in the purchase of cleaning supplies. Oddo eventually vacated the apartment where the body remained. He reportedly fled the residence soon after a neighbor contacted the police on May 19th, leading to the discovery. The search for William Oddo continued for several weeks following the discovery of the crime. He was eventually apprehended at a motel located in Mount Pleasant, Texas. Oddo was arrested on the date of June 2nd. Following his apprehension, he was formally charged with murder. He also faced an additional charge of evidence tampering. As of the latest reports, William Oddo remains in custody. His bond has been set at a significant amount, totaling $160,000. The official cause of LaVera Wardell's death is still pending confirmation. A full toxicology report is currently awaited from the Tarrant County Medical Examiner's Office. This case, as detailed by the available information, highlights the profoundly disturbing nature of the alleged crime itself. It starkly illustrates a potential callous disregard for the victim, LaVera Wardell. The details surrounding William Oddo's alleged actions in the aftermath of the shooting are particularly unsettling and raise serious questions about his state of mind and intentions. The alleged act of remaining with the body for days, followed by the reported purchase of cleaning supplies, paints a disturbing picture of the events that transpired. This case serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers within domestic relationships and the tragic consequences that can arise from conflict. The delay in discovering the victim underscores the isolation that can sometimes surround such incidents, where a person can be deceased in their home for an extended period before anyone becomes aware. A neighbor's report of the odor was the critical factor that led to the discovery, highlighting the importance of community awareness and reporting unusual circumstances. The alleged admission by Oddo, coupled with the physical evidence, forms the basis of the serious charges he now faces. The claim of self-defense involving a knife will undoubtedly be a key point of examination during any potential trial proceedings. However, the actions allegedly taken after the shooting, such as remaining with the body and purchasing cleaning supplies, could be interpreted as inconsistent with a simple act of self-defense. The charge of evidence tampering further suggests an alleged attempt to conceal or alter the scene or related information. The timeline of events, from the alleged shooting on May 6th to the discovery on May 19th, and Oddo's eventual arrest on June 2nd, spans several weeks. This extended timeline allowed for the decomposition of the body, contributing to the circumstances of the discovery. The fact that Oddo was located at a motel suggests he had left the area of the apartment and was attempting to evade authorities, or had nowhere else to go. The bond amount reflects the severity of the charges he is facing. Murder charges in Texas carry significant potential penalties, including lengthy prison sentences. Evidence tampering is also a serious offense that can result in additional time if convicted. The pending official cause of death and toxicology report are crucial pieces of forensic evidence. These reports will provide definitive information regarding the manner and circumstances of LaVera Wardell's death. Toxicology results could potentially shed light on the state of either individual involved during the alleged argument. This case is a tragic example of alleged domestic violence resulting in fatality. It underscores the need for continued awareness and resources for individuals experiencing or witnessing domestic abuse. Victim advocates often highlight how quickly situations can escalate and the devastating impact on victims and their families. Forensic science plays a critical role in cases like this, from determining the cause of death to analyzing the crime scene and any potential evidence of tampering. Crime analysis involves examining the patterns and circumstances of such events to understand contributing factors and potentially prevent future tragedies. The details of Oddo allegedly remaining with the body for days are particularly disturbing from a psychological perspective. Such behavior is highly unusual and raises questions about the suspect's mental state and connection to the victim, despite the alleged violent act. The contrast between the alleged violence and the reported desire to lay with her is profoundly unsettling. This case serves as a somber reminder of the hidden struggles that can occur behind closed doors. The neighbor's actions, while prompted by an unpleasant odor, were ultimately vital in bringing this alleged crime to light. Without their report, the discovery could have been delayed even further. The investigation involved tracking Oddo's movements after he left the apartment, leading to his eventual apprehension. This highlights the persistent efforts of law enforcement in pursuing suspects in serious crimes. The legal process will now unfold, determining the facts of the case based on the evidence presented. William Oddo is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. However, the allegations and reported admissions paint a grim picture of the events leading to LaVera Wardell's death. This case will likely be studied by those in the fields of true crime and forensic science due to its disturbing details and the timeline of events. It also serves as a point of discussion for social commentary regarding domestic violence, mental health, and community responsibility. The memory of LaVera Wardell and the circumstances of her death should serve as a call for greater vigilance and support systems for those at risk. The full truth of what transpired on May 6th and the subsequent days will be sought through the legal process. Until then, the known details present a deeply troubling narrative of alleged violence and its disturbing aftermath. The community awaits justice for LaVera Wardell.